Does your wife love hydrangeas? Do you love hydrangeas, but they just keep getting eaten by the deer? Well, we're in the same boat. What I did is I invested in some netting. That was my mom's idea. Thank you, Mom. So today I'm going to teach you how I plant hydrangeas and how I protect them. They're called hydrangeas and they need a lot of water. So this is a soaking line and I have it running, weaving through figure eights all around all of my hydrangeas. The reason you want to do a soaking line versus just spraying with the hose is that if you spray them with the hose, you get the water droplets on the leaves. The sun comes out, it's like a magnifying glass. It would burn your leaves. So in the high sun in the day, you do not want to spray your leaves. You want to make sure that you're watering them at their roots. I just found a really big worm in my garden. This is a great sign. You want worms in your garden. This is an earthworm. What worms do is they go through, they eat dirt. The dirt comes out their backside. It fills it with all the necessary vitamins and minerals that your plants needs. Go back to work. Oh, there you go. Yep. So this is how big the hydrangea is, right? I'm gonna dig out all the way around here so that I have extra room so that the plant can grow. And then I'm gonna add some fresh soil and some manure in with the hydrangea and some hydrangea food. You want your hole to be deep enough that your entire root ball will fit in there. You don't want it to be popping out. You want it to be coming out. Now it's still in the pot, but yeah, that's gonna fit perfectly. See that? So then I take it out of the pot. Now you see all these little roots right here. They're all smashed. So you wanna wake those up. What I call it's called tickling the roots. You guys get excited. You got a new home, a forever home. I've woken up my roots and I figured out which way I want my hydrangea to go, so now I'm gonna plant it. One of the steps I like to take when I'm planting things is I like to mix the original soil with a little bit of manure-enriched soil. So they get excited when you throw a little manure in with their dirt, in with their soil. So that's what I'm gonna do. And you wanna make sure you get all the way around. A little bit of manure goes a long way. And so that's how I plant hydrangeas. I'm gonna put a little net over it to protect it from all the critters, and away we go.